Hello, mic testing. Hello, mic testing. Hello, guys. You will need old earphones and remove that earphone jack. We will need that jack for our projects. Now we will burn these wires so that the fabric coating will be removed, or else we will not able to solder these wires. Scratch these wires slowly so that the burn powders and will be removed. Now we will solder these wires with the help of soldering iron and soldering wire. Now set this meter at continuity. Now we'll check which wire is with connections. This wire is mic, this is for ground, and these two are for earphone, left and right. So that we will need only a mic and ground wire. We does not need this L and R used for headphone or earphone. Now we will need a condenser mic. You will get this mic at $1 to $2 at any electronics shop, or else you will salvage from the old electronics also. The wire which is sorted with the outside case is our negative. So we will check which wire is sorted with this outside case. Okay, this is our negative, so that will be our positive. Now we will need a shielded wire for our mic, because shielded wire have this shielded coating so that our voice will come with clarity, or else we will use old wires or just normal wires will not work. As this type of wire will not work, we will need that shielded wire also only. You can see the outside is a coating and inner is so the outside will be on ground and inner side will be our mic wire. Now we will connect this earphone jack with this shielded wire. That ground wire with this ground outside wire, it will be connected to the ground, and inner will be connected to this black wire called as mic. Temporarily connect with this hand, connect this wire with hand, and then we will solder it. And we will does not need this two wires, so remove this wire. Now solder it so that the connection will be strong. It's our ground and that's our positive. Connect this ground wire with the shielded ground outside wire, and inner wire will be connected to the positive of this mic. Now solder it this connection so that this connection also will be strong and powerful. Now we can see we have soldered both mic and earphone jack. Now insulate these connections. Make sure that while insulating, these two wires will not be connected with each other, or else this connection will be shorted. Now we will gently hit this connection. Similarly do it for this earphone jack also. Now we will need a ball pen cap for our earphone jack case. Make a hole at the other side of the cap. Now put this our earphone jack inside this our ball pen cap. This will act as our case or else, and insulate that also so that will look clean and clear. Thing you will need is this ball pen cap or this microphone. You can see this fits well. Now you will need this rubber fixing. You will get this rubber fixing from or ball pen also. And now insulate them and add this foam to the microphone. Act as a filter. Thanks for watching. We'll meet again with an amazing video. Till now, do like, share, subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell icon. This is Odyssey signing off.